Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CPE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very impressive movement. And when you stop and think about just on Wednesday, the price was all the way down there. Now all of a sudden, a day later, the price is all the way up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very impressive move. But that does lead to the valid question of, is there any sort of genuine strength behind this movement, or is this just some sort of dead cat bounce, fake, break to the upside type movement? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. In my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at $3.90. Why is $3.90 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $3.90. If the price were to come down to that area and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that has just broken out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price went down here, behaved like that, and then began to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote progress being defined as 390. What about levels of resistance? First key level of resistance right there at $4.10. So keep an eye on that in the very near term. From more of an overarching point of view, that is where the pink line up there comes into play, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charting, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is down below it, it does tend to act as resistance, and that's up there at 425. However, one hurdle at a time, and that first key hurdle right up there around that first key red line. Big picture though, anyway, look at it. Very nice movement today. Very nice volume. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.